Hey guys, in this 2025 breakdown, we're comparing Beacons.ai versus StanStore, two creator storefront platforms that let you sell links, products, and digital goods. StanStore is built for simplicity and conversion. You can spin up a checkout page, fast, embed upsells, and run simple subscriptions. It's great for creators who already have a following and want a lightweight sales funnel. But Beacons.ai gives you more layers. Not just a storefront, but also a full link in bio page, lead capture, and flexible upsells. You can sell digital products, physical goods tickets, or even coaching directly from your Beacons profile. When it comes to checkout, Beacons offers native checkout with upsells and order bumps, so you can maximize your earnings without redaring users off platform. With Stan, upsells are solid but more linear, and you may need external tools for advanced funneling. On the analytics side, Beacon wins again. You get deeper insights into traffic conversion and purchases, but there are also better flexibility for customizing your storefront's design and layout. So, if you want a powerful, all-in creator page plus store, Beacon's AI is hard to beat. If you're after a minimal conversion first checkout tool, StanStore is great a choice. If it's the self, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 creator tool comparisons.